Welcome back, solar enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 10 losses in a solar energy system. Understanding these losses is crucial for optimizing the performance of your solar panels. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Conversion losses. Despite advancements in solar technology, solar panels have a maximum efficiency rating. The difference between the actual output and the maximum potential output represents conversion losses. Number 2. Shading. Even partial shading can significantly reduce the performance of solar panels. Trees, buildings, or any obstructions can cast shadows and hinder sunlight absorption. Number 3. Dust and dirt. Accumulation of dust and debris on the surface of solar panels can reduce their ability to absorb sunlight. Regular cleaning and maintenance are essential to minimize these losses. Number 4. Temperature effects. Solar panels are less efficient at higher temperatures. Excessive heat can decrease their power output and overall system efficiency. Number 5. Reflection losses. A small percentage of sunlight gets reflected instead of being absorbed by solar panels. Factors like angle of incidence and panel surface quality impact reflective losses. Number 6. Inverter losses. Inverters convert DC to AC for use in homes or the grid. Inverter efficiency can vary, and losses occur during this conversion process. Number 7. Wiring and connection losses. Resistance in electrical wiring and connections can cause power losses. Poorly sized or low-quality wiring can lead to voltage drops and reduced system performance. Number 8. Mismatch losses. If solar panels within an array have different electrical characteristics, such as shading or manufacturing variations, mismatch losses occur. This happens when panels in series or parallel operate at different levels. Number 9. Aging and degradation. Over time, solar panels can experience a decrease in efficiency due to aging and degradation. Exposure to sunlight, temperature variations, and environmental conditions impact their performance. And finally, number 10, electrical and system losses. Various electrical components and system elements, such as diodes, cables, switches, charge controllers, batteries if present, and DC-AC inverters, can introduce losses. And there you have it, the top 10 losses in a solar energy system. By understanding and mitigating these losses, you can optimize the performance and output of your solar panels. Remember to regularly monitor, maintain, and optimize your system for maximum efficiency. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting solar energy content.